Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to your Facebook account and click on profile at the bottom right. After that, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left and then scroll down and you should see Facebook dating right over here. Click on see more and you'll be able to see dating right over here. But if you're not able to see that, then there are a few reasons. You're going to go back, go to Safari, search for Facebook dating, and then there are a few requirements. You should be 18 years old and you should have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old and you live in a country where dating is available. So if you live in a country that's not on this list, that might be the reason why your Facebook dating is not showing up. But if you're here in one of these areas and still you're not able to see the Facebook dating, you're going to head over to Facebook and then you're going to scroll down, click on settings and privacy, click on settings once again, and then over here you're going to scroll down, click on tab bar, and then you're going to click on customize the bar. Here you'll be able to see dating. So simply make sure that you have not hidden dating. If you're able to see dating, you should see something like hide auto pin. You're going to make sure it's not on hide, it's on auto. And once you have done that, you're going to go back to the three horizontal lines again and you should see Facebook dating right over here. Simply click on that and get started. So that is how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up if it is eligible for you. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.